Strengthen your protection against GNSS vulnerability with the updated release 3.0 of the BlueSky GNSS Firewall software. The software was updated as a result of participating in live Sky industry testing events hosted by the United States Department of Homeland Security Science and Technology Directorate. Release 2.0 now gives you higher resiliency for protecting critical infrastructure against GNSS threats. The software has real-time analysis to detect jamming and spoofing of the GNSS input signal and hardening, response and recovery to avoid signal disruption. With this latest release, you can set the thresholds and chart GNSS observables. When connected to Microchip's time picture management software, you can also monitor and analyse GNSS signals across cities, regions, a country, or even globally. To find out more about strengthening GNSS protection, check out the website now.